Friends, to put this egg into the beaker is next to impossible because the beaker diameter is smaller and the egg diameter is bigger, so therefore it is impossible. But this can be done by using simple science. Now friends, let's understand how to put the egg into the bottle without breaking it. Well, the egg diameter is much bigger than the diameter of the beaker. It is impossible to put it directly into the bottle, but we can do it by using some science. Very first, we need to light up a paper and just drop it into the bottle, and then keep a boiled egg on the top. Due to this, it creates a low pressure inside the bottle and the high pressure, atmospheric pressure, which is higher than the pressure inside the bottle, due to which it creates a suction and it sucks the egg inside the bottle, and at the same time the atmospheric pressure try to push it into the bottle. Now friends, take a boiling water and pour into the beaker, and then take a boiled egg and just place it on the top of the beaker, and then put a cold water around it so that the pressure inside the beaker is reduced and the egg is traveling. You can see the egg is traveling slowly downward into the beaker. You can see here. We got the egg completely into the beaker. You can see here now. This is how the egg can be put into the beaker. Here I have taken a long neck of the beaker. You can take a shorter neck so that it can go faster into the beaker. Friends, here we have used a cold water around the beaker so that we can reduce the pressure inside the beaker and the atmospheric pressure, which is higher than the pressure inside the beaker, so that it will be helpful to go the egg into the beaker.